Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be teaching you about how you can send out offers to your listings as a seller. So there can be items that you have listed. People save these items for later so that they can see if there are price changes and you can send offers to them. So what you have to do is you have to go to my eBay selling, and then in this tab you can see that this opens all selling options. If I scroll down, you will be able to see here the views, and then there is a /watchers. So if there are no watchers, such as this item for example, then you will not be able to send out offers to them. However, for this item there are 2, for this item there are 6, so I can send them my offer. So what you have to do is you go to active listings and then send offer eligible. This means that this opens up all of the items where there are offers or there are watchers. I think that for this item there used to be, that's why this item says it's 0 watchers, but now I think that previously there used to be someone watching, and that's why this item is eligible to send an offer. So you simply press send offer. This will send out to all of the interested buyers. In this case there is just one. You can type the price and you can see that it has to be at least 5% less than it's listed at the moment. And here it says what's the maximum amount, the price I can offer, which is 5% less. Type a message, and then when you send out this offer, the potential buyers will have 48 hours to respond to this offer. If there are multiple buyers, if just one of them buys out your item, then the other people will be informed that the item has been sold. So I think that this is a very good tool, especially for items which are on your shelves for a longer period of time, in order to make a turnover and sell the items quicker. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. I hope that you will be able to sell your items faster, and see you guys in my next tutorial.